Ever tried catching a wild horse? No? Well, that's what trading cryptocurrency feels like. You see, this isn't your grandfather's stock market. This is the adrenaline-pumping, heart-racing world of digital coins. It's unpredictable, it's volatile, and it's as wild as a bucking bronco. Yet despite the risks, it's drawing in folks by the droves, all enticed by the promise of high rewards. But don't worry, we won't leave you in the Wild West, we've got your back. In the Wild West of trading, you don't need a hat or boots, but you do need some tools. Imagine embarking on a gold rush without a sturdy pickaxe or pan. It's the same with crypto trading. You need the right tools, and by that, I mean a reliable trading platform. It's your horse in this Wild West, carrying you across the vast, untamed plains of the crypto market. But it's not just about having a trusty steed. You also need a keen eye to read the lay of the land. That's where understanding market trends comes in. It's like the compass guiding you through the treacherous desert, steering clear of snake oil salesmen and mirages of false prophets. And let's not forget the most vital tool of all, a bucket load of patience. Because in this Wild West, fortunes aren't made in a day, they're built over time, with careful planning and steady nerves. So grab your virtual pickaxe, it's time to dig into the crypto mine. In this gold rush, it's not about finding the biggest nugget, it's about understanding the nuggets you find. Let's dive into the heart of the matter, the golden nuggets of crypto. Now, I'm not talking about those golden chocolates your grandma used to give you, though those were delicious, weren't they? No, I'm talking about the different cryptocurrencies, each one unique and shiny in its own right. First, we have the king of the crypto jungle, Bitcoin. It's like the lion, majestic and commanding respect. Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, but it's far from the only one. Next, we have Ethereum. If Bitcoin is the lion, then Ethereum is the cheetah, sleek and fast with its smart contracts and decentralized applications. It's the platform of choice for most of the DeFi or decentralized finance projects. Then we have the likes of Ripple, Litecoin, and many others, each with their own unique properties and uses. Ripple, known for its speedy transactions, is like the roadrunner of the crypto world. Litecoin, on the other hand, is often considered the silver to Bitcoin's gold. But here's the thing. Just like in a gold rush, there's a lot of risks in crypto. Prices can swing wildly, and while that can mean big profits, it can also mean big losses. It's not just about picking a coin and hoping for the best. It's about understanding what you're investing in, what it does, and what its potential is. So, how do you do that? Well, that's where your homework comes in. Research, learn, and understand each cryptocurrency you're interested in. Find out what makes it tick, what its strengths and weaknesses are, and what its potential could be. And remember, just as every nugget isn't pure gold, not every cryptocurrency is a winner. Some are fool's gold, promising much but delivering little. But with knowledge and understanding, you can sift the gold from the dirt. Remember folks, in this game, knowledge is your best friend, and ignorance is that annoying neighbor who keeps borrowing your lawnmower. If you thought roller coasters were thrilling, wait till you ride the crypto roller coaster. Now, I'm not talking about the kind of roller coaster you'd find in your local amusement park. Oh no. This is a ride like no other. It's a ride that takes place in the world of ones and zeros, in the vast digital landscape of cryptocurrency. Let's talk about volatility. That's a big fancy word that essentially means price fluctuation. And in the realm of cryptocurrencies, volatility is the name of the game. It's the heart-stopping drops and the exhilarating highs that make this ride so thrilling and so terrifying. Imagine waking up one morning to find that your crypto portfolio has doubled in value overnight. You're on top of the world feeling like a digital Midas. But then, just as quickly, the market takes a nosedive and your digital gold is worth half of what it was. That's the crypto roller coaster in action. Take Bitcoin for example. One minute it's the darling of the digital currency world, the next it's being pummeled by a bear market. And let's not forget the time Ethereum made a spectacular leap in value, only to come crashing down again. These are the dramatic rises and falls that characterize the crypto market. Now I know what you're thinking. How can anyone keep their cool in such a volatile market? Well, here's the thing. It's important not to panic. Remember, every roller coaster has its ups and downs. The key is to hold on tight and ride out the storm. And one more thing, don't forget to do your homework. Understand the market trends, keep an eye on the news, and above all, make informed decisions. The crypto roller coaster is not for the faint of heart. It requires patience, resilience, and a good dose of courage. So buckle up, keep your hands inside the ride at all times, and whatever you do, don't scream. It scares the bitcoins. Alright, enough of the fun and games, let's get serious. Well, as serious as we can be when we're talking about invisible money. So, you're ready to jump into the crypto pool but don't want to sink like a stone? Here's your playbook. First, set clear trading goals. Are you in for a quick splash or a long swim? Your strategy will depend on your answer. Next, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, the crypto market is more volatile than a soda can in a paint mixer. So, prepare for bubbles and bursts. Also, stay updated on market news. Yes, it sounds as fun as watching paint dry, but trust me, it's crucial. You don't want to be the last one to know that your favorite coin just mooned. And remember, the house always wins, unless the house is betting against crypto. Well, that's all the time we have for today, folks. We've taken a thrilling ride through the crypto craze, ventured into the wild west of trading, and unearthed the golden nuggets of crypto. We've also braved the roller coaster of cryptocurrency markets. Remember, with the right knowledge and mindset, you can navigate this exciting world. It's like the Wild West out there, but with a little preparation, you won't need to rob a train to strike gold. If you enjoyed this wild ride through the world of crypto trading, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thrilling adventures. Until next time, keep your coins close and your wallets closer.